you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have IPSY versus IPSY, glam bag versus glam bag. Do you want to see what are in these bags for October? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So one of my IPSY bags finally arrived. So now I can do my IPSY versus IPSY. I do two different profiles, one tailored to me and my specific profile, and then one that's anything and everything, because if it's something that I'm not into or not comfortable with, I do set it aside for you guys for future giveaways. So it's a win-win. IPSY has revamped their bags. Now this kind of matches their whole boxes now. It's a lighter pink, it's a new image. Their app even has changed to this whole new little image. So they've changed everything, and I think it's actually really nice. I like the lighter pink, how they have their name IPSY now. It's like a new little image that they're doing. I'm kind of digging it. So they did change their price now. This is $12 a month with free shipping. You get 5 beauty products that are sample size, deluxe sizes, and sometimes could be full size if you get like an eyeliner or a lipstick or a nail polish or something like that. And then you do get your bag. You get a little makeup bag as well. So I never complain about my IPSY glam bags, you guys. Now even for $12 with free shipping, I still think it's worth it. But let's go ahead and dive in and let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my main profile first. Let's see how well they did. Okay, so this is the bag. This is so cute. I love this bag. The plus and the ultimate looks like this. So it's a little bit bigger. And then both of the backs all have the same design. So that is really cute. So that is what it looks like. It has the little B on the pull tab. And let's get this opened. Oh, the back is a little different. It has small, little, tiny sequins, where this one has the bigger sequence. So there is a little bit of difference, but at first glimpse, it looked the same. So let's go ahead and dump these products out, and we can see what we got. All right, so they do have their little card, and flaunt it. Looks like it might be the theme for this month. The product that I chose was this right here, and this should be the Betty Boop lipstick. This is in the color Mauve It, baby. Ooh, that is really pretty. That is really, really pretty. And if you guys didn't watch my plus or my ultimate, I did let you know that I ended up buying the entire collection. And that came in today. So in the next few days, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna go through the entire collection, swatch it, try on, do all of that. So I'm not gonna try on anything from the collection today. So if you want to know, you have to stay tuned for that particular video. So there's number 1. That's the one that I chose. Number 2 is going to be, this is a loose eyeshadow, and I say I don't like loose pigments, so I'm gonna go ahead and just set this straight aside to one of you guys. But it looks like the color is Byron Bay, and that is the company name. This loose pigment shadow is richly pigmented and blendable, so you can go for a subtle sweep of color or a full-on opaque finish. And it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it to get a better glimpse of the color, but I'm trying to see if you can, it's like a champagne-ish, pinkish, I'm not quite sure. It looks really pretty, but I just don't do loose pigment, so I'm gonna set that aside for one of you guys. I have the same product currently, so I'm going to use this when that one ends, because they are small, but it is really nice. It's the True Cream Aqua Bomb by Belief. I do like this, so I will put this in my back stock, so when I'm done with that one, I'll have this one to go up right next to it. I was like, does it have a scent? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't have a scent, but I do like this stuff. Like I said, I still have a little bit left in the one that I currently have, so now I have a backup. So next would be, this is Marc Anthony's Strengthening Glow Long Super Fast Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, I will definitely try anything that'll help get my hair longer. It says salon created leave-in conditioner, nourishes, detangles, reduces breakage, frizz, and split ends with caffeine and ginseng. Alrighty. So this is interesting, and I actually can't wait to try this out. It says tip, apply, ooh, that smells good. It says apply to the strands root to end. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Ooh. Concentrating on damaged areas, gently comb through and don't rinse out. For best results, massage the scalp to stimulate healthier hair growth. So this delivers high quality products that produce salon-like results at home with multitasking, leave-in conditioner, detangles, repairs, breakage, and promotes healthier hair growth in one simple step. So I'm excited about that. And that's a pretty good size too. So there's that. And then the last item in here, you guys, is a Pretty Woman nail polish in Don't Be Jelly. There's the box. Let's see what color this is. Pretty Woman nail polish, Don't Be Jelly. Need a quick mani in a pinch. I don't want to destroy the box because it might be going to one of you guys. So, come on. There we go. Ooh, that is pretty though. That is like a purple plumish color. That is really pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I'm gonna look and see if I have this color already or something similar. If I do, then I'll set this aside for one of you guys. If I don't, then I'll put it in my nail kit, even though I don't do anything with my nails, but I have a lot of nail polish. So that is everything that came in mine. The only thing that's throwing me off for my profile is the nail polish, because I say I don't do anything with my nails, and loose pigment. So that's throwing me off a little bit, but you know, I don't know. Are they not like going with our profiles anymore or something? Because it just doesn't seem like they're going for profiles. Okay, so this is my anything and everything profile, same bag. Now, the item that I chose for myself was the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I do like Murad, so I wanted to try this one. I haven't tried this particular one. So this is the one that I chose for myself. This is to help combat acne and breakouts immediately and over time. So that's really cool. I didn't even notice it was mainly for acne. So whenever I get my monthly situation, that's when I always break out, or right about here, I will use this at that time and see if it helps, because anything that'll help me with acne at that time, I'm all for. And something that I love is hemp's lotion. I buy this by the big thing all the time. I don't have a blue one though. This is triple moisture. That smells pretty good. It smells like nice and clean. Ooh, I have so many different scents, but I don't have a blue one. Yeah, this smells nice and clean. And I like that because this one I can just drop in my purse, and it's a travel size. So I got the hemp's lotion, which I'm loving that. Next we have is their Real Benefit Beyond Mascara. So I'll go ahead and set this aside for a future giveaway. And then I have Nomad Sydney. I almost said no ma'am. Isn't that from like Al Bundy? No ma'am. It's Nomad Sydney Bathers. What is this? Kiss of Sun Highlighter. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So it looks like that. It has the name, the Nomad. And ooh, it looks like a pinkish, like a coral kind of color highlighter. So that I'm gonna go ahead and stick into a future giveaway for one of you guys. I'm not a huge highlighter wearer, and I have so many of them that I'd rather this go to somebody who would enjoy it. And then the next item is the Betty Boop IPSY Drawn to Your Eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner, and I don't use liquid, so I'm not gonna open this or anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in a future giveaway so somebody else can enjoy it. But there's no plastic or anything on it, like a packaging, but I want to not open this so it can go to one of you guys. So my non-profile has the highlighter, the liquid eyeliner, the mascara. This is the one that I chose, and then my hemp's lotion, which I love this lotion, and then the bag. So which bag did you like better? Did you like my tailored profile or my anything and everything profile? Did you like any of these items? Are we bag twins? Did you get any of these products? Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. So yeah, that is everything that I got between the two bags. Do you guys like their new little image and what they're doing with the revamping the bags and the boxes and all of that good stuff? And do you like that now we can pick an item? I actually do like that they're allowing you to pick one of the items in all platforms. If it's the Glam bag, if it's the Plus, or now the new Ultimate, I really like that you get to choose one of the items. So especially on this one, you get 5 samples. At least you know one of those samples you're going to like because you chose it. You get the bag, you get the free shipping, and it's only $12 and you get to try out amazing products. And like this is a full-size item. You know, I'm sure they have bigger, but this is a good size for this. The lotion's a good size. This highlighter is even good because it's a single highlighter. You probably use that for quite a while. So I'm actually impressed with both of them. A little bit of combination. I'm just a little disappointed on some of the products because it's not something that I have tailored in my profile, but that's not a problem because it'll go to one of you guys. What is this? It'll go to one of you guys. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below, let me know, and you know that drill. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.